This is a quick introduction to Unit 7 and 8 on logic and emergence. We've been pushed pretty hard possibly in this course. There's lots of activities and stuff, especially for the first couple of units. Based on student feedback and to give you a little break, I've tried to slow things down a little bit for the later half of the course. I try to push a lot in the beginning of the course and then slow it down a little bit here. So hopefully the pacing of the rest of the course will be a little slower than the first half. So with Units 7 and 8, you have a choice. Again, this is an area where Stanford's AI course goes into a field logic, which some students are going to have trouble if they don't have a strong math and logic background. And so I give you an alternative route down emergence. The Stanford AI class doesn't deal with emergence, and I feel it's a very fun and interesting area of artificial intelligence, and I think it'll be an important area in the future. So you have two choices. You can go down do activities either in the logic path or the emergence path, mix and match. This time you have to do 20 points of activities. Each activity is worth 5 points, so you just have to do 4 activities. There are 4 activities in each area. So if you go down the logic path, it starts out pretty straightforward. It introduces you to the Stanford videos and then this real-world example called CIS that shows it's a real-world knowledge representation software. And then there are these 4 activities. The first one is just to watch the first 10 videos and answer the questions from Stanford. The next one is to do the next 10 videos and answer the questions. There's a couple nice videos, a nice video and a Wikipedia entry on Psych that you can watch and answer some questions on. And then finally you can try downloading OpenPsych and running it and trying some things out. Just warn you, this part is a little challenging and might be difficult for you to do, so I encourage you to try it, but again, it's non-trivial to download and get OpenPsych running sometime. So I tried to provide good detailed instructions and links to instructions for that. And if you're not going down the logical path, you can go down the emerging path, emergence. And I'm going to record a separate video to introduce you to these emergent topics. So I have a set of notes here that I'll go through in the video that I'll post here. And then there's a set of topics, one on artificial life, running a simulation on artificial life. One on chaos theory and working on a spreadsheet to look at chaos theory. One on running a simulation on fractals on the Mandelbrot set, and finally one on flocking behavior and running a different simulation on flocking behavior. So again, I'll post another video inside this emergence thing going over these activities and these notes further. Hope you enjoy these units.